Hello everyone, my name is David. I'm from class 12 science 3. Today I will be explaining about how to operate an air conditioner. First, plug the air conditioner socket. Then, turn it on. Second, prepare your remote and make sure there's the battery inside. Now, time to setting up the air conditioner. First, press the lift button to turn on the air conditioner. Then, set the temperature to cool according to what you want. Set fan speed. And set the wind direction. After that, wait 3 to 5 minutes until the room feels cold. Enjoy!